No! Hello, people of planet Earth. It is Dacy and Kayla.
Hi.
We're no sass intended, and we are here. Oh crap! I went out of my thing. Oh crap!
Hi. I have hiccups. I'm sorry.
So we're just gonna play random levels, both of us. We can do whatever we want to do, and then
yeah.
I will edit them around so you can see what we're doing.
Oh dear.
Holy crap! Holy crap! No, stop that. So our things might lag a little, but that's because we're trying to use the internet, and my internet sucks. So yeah. YouTube problem number one.
I did it!
Woo!
I didn't get hurt at all. Just kidding. There's fights. Pogo fight.
Pogo fights are terrible. I'll do it with you because these things suck. Now you hit control to like no!
To super jump?
To super jump. You're past the first guy? I can't even get past the first guy.
I didn't even hit him.
Holy crap. Fight me! How is a chain really gonna hurt me here?
Oh dear. Oh my god, my pogo was on the second guy. Look at my screen, please.
Sir, can you please stop teabagging that homeless man?
Oh, I don't wanna.
I can do this. I get mad at myself when I do that. I don't even know if viewers ever see it. No, come on. Nope. I'm done already. Let's see. I'm gonna do this ball throw here.
I took your chain. My guy is just perpetually saying ow.
You know what? Because he's
no.
having issues.
Look at him. He's dead.
This is just the first ball throw. Oh my god. All day, people, all day.
Unlock win.
You really already get it? Oh my god. I've died at least 6 times. Give the ball to me. Every time! Become the ball. Become the ball. No!
Hi, my name is Kayla and I hate hiccups.
They were gonna say for no sass intended. Like, I'm pretty sure we already did the intro, but okay. But you stop!
It's not my fault!
Okay, this is my last time. This is my last time.
I beat it.
The purpose of what we were trying to do here.
Yep. You're welcome.
Hoo, 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 hoo! Let me win! First try! Hotel murder.
Oh no!
It took me a long time, but the enjoyment I wish to give me determined to take my time to think it through.
Ready? Ah!
Oh, I'm supposed to be rating this.
I died.
Back it up. Back it up.
Backing up.
Martha, honey. Okay, that person was murdered. Another elf bites the dust. Don't be selfish, be elfish. Elf for life. You don't like this one, Kayla. It'd be a lot of puns. And that's how long it took me to do that level.
Oh dear.
Kayla, be careful.
Kayla's scared. Why am I not in my seat?
Brawl stars.
Daisy!
I see. Just go forward. You can do it anyway.
My bike won't go forward.
Oh, 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 oh!
Here we go. Are you ready?
We're gonna make a new song.
Ah!
Oh, killed the kid.
Hold on.
I killed myself. Brawl star. Get your game on. Get
oh my god.
Killed. Hey now, Brawl star. Kill that woman. All that
was
blood
cool.
is around. I hate this stupid game.
Am I gonna win?
Now I'm dead. Okay, I'm done.
Am I gonna win? I don't remember what this one was called.
Oh, what the heck?
Oh, it was a rope swing. That's right.
What the heck is going on? Kayla? 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 It said oddly satisfying. I'm not satisfied. I'm bent over. Look at me.
I see.
Do you see? Do you see what I see?
How do you eject from your thing?
You hit Z. I looked on your screen for like half a second and you just went flying. Pogo fight. I'm doing another.
I was so close.
I'm doing another.
Well, neither am I. My foot is stuck on my Segway. My leg is bent at the most terrible angles. Why is it not broken?
Oh no! My first win in a pogo fight!
I have an axe in my butt.
Do you now? Neon freeze fall. What the heck is a freeze fall?
I don't know.
Oh no! These things are too heavy! No! Come on.
Oh no, I have a person on my butt.
Screw you.
Daisy.
Ah! I win! I mean, I broke my leg, so I don't really win, but you know, whatever.
Oh no, I missed. There's still a chance.
One Punch Man! I think this is an anime thing, but I don't understand anime, so.
I don't know.
Aha! Screw you. Good Christ. Wah! And with the power of my pogo stick. No! I will die. Do I win?
I won!
Yeah! Go. Too much! Too much! Hey, Kayla.
Hey, Daisy.
Go myself. Okay, I'm done. My ratio to completing these is way behind my completion of rage quitting. The castle? What's the castle? Oh, look how nice this is. Excuse me, I don't mean to bother you, but I am stuck in your floor.
That's cool, watch.
Yeah. There was a warning, and I ignored the warning. I'm not getting anything done in this level, or in this episode. 3D test. Hollywood movie test. I'm gonna assume the Matrix. Freaking no. This one.
Look at me go. I won in 77.77 seconds.
Second throw. Fight me, Kayla. Shut up, Kayla.
Cut.
Holy crap!
I have 3 pineapples in a dream.
Pinals.
3 pineapples.
Got 3 pineals on a dream! You remember that really terrible Lady Gaga song that came out?
Yes.
I think
I know exactly
I
which
think
one you're
that
talking
every time I see this pogo stick.
Grap? the box. I'm
You
Russian.
better grab that box. Okay, it's fine. Just vibrate your way out of it. That's what they say in the good old days. Aha. Ooh, you little crap. Am I supposed to... Oh no! It's fine, I'm alive!
Mario? I just magically switched out my computer for a Nintendo 64.
That's actually what we're playing. This is Happy Wheels for Nintendo 64. She can't even jump up there. Parkour! Not easy. Only for pros. Nope, I'm not a pro!
That's a mood.
Staring all nonchalantly on this mood.
You know what? Screw you, Segway. I don't need you. Please don't run me.
No! Failed. No! Kayla, you're gonna have to see that replay later.
Okay.
I did the thing where I controlled on the pogo stick, and when I hit the ground and the spikes, the pogo stick went up, and I died, and then it fell on top of me. The fastest completion gets a shout out in the next level. I want a shout out. Illuminati! Illuminati confirmed!
Whoa! There's a jet fall next.
Way to spoil it.
My bad. Ooh. I did it.
Is this your green card?
You, my best friend.
Second best friend. Oh god. Why did you edit it in there like that?
Did you hear that?
You were trying to be all sly about it. I want to go back to what we were just talking about.
No! Did you hear
Yeah,
the question thing? I was like, oh god.
Maybe. Oh god.
There, that's the end.
Okay, well that was Happy Wheels.
Indeed.
Thank you, Kayla, for joining me on Happy Wheels. And
You're welcome.
yeah, I'm done.
Yeah.
I need to take a break. Or
Yeah.
a nap.
A nap sounds good. I love naps.
Well, we'll see you all later. Bye.
Bye.
Hope you enjoyed the video!
Let us know what you want to see next.
Press our icon to subscribe.
Don't forget to go watch our other videos.
And smash that like button!
And follow us on social media.
And never forget, the sass was not intended.
Well, maybe it was a little intended.
Anyway, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!